In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the address bar to the top in Brave browser on Android and iOS. If the address bar sitting at the bottom isn't your style, you can quickly switch it back to the top using Brave's built-in settings. First, let's look at Android. Open Brave, then tap the menu icon and go to Settings. Inside Settings, find Appearance. In this section, look for a toggle labeled Enable Bottom Toolbar. If that switch is on, your toolbar and address bar will sit at the bottom. To move them to the top, simply turn that toggle off. On some versions of Brave, you may see an option called Address Bar Position instead. If you do, just select Top and the change will apply immediately. There's also a fast shortcut you can try right on the page you're viewing. Press and hold or long press the address bar itself. A small menu should pop up offering to move the address bar. Choose the option to move it to the top and you're done. This is handy if you don't want to dig through settings. Now for iOS, open Brave on your iPhone or iPad, tap the menu icon and head into Settings. Look for tabs. Inside that section, choose Top Bar to place the address bar along the top of your screen. Depending on your app version, you might see a setting related to the bottom toolbar instead. If so, turn off any option that keeps the toolbar at the bottom. As with Android, you may also be able to long press the address bar and pick the option to move it to the top, which can save a few taps. A quick note on variations. Brave updates can slightly change where these options appear or how they're labeled. If you don't see the exact names mentioned here, look for phrases like top bar, bottom toolbar, or address bar position. These all refer to the same placement control. After you make the change, it should take effect right away. If it doesn't, close and reopen Brave to refresh the interface. If you prefer the bottom layout later, you can always return to the same settings and re-enable the bottom toolbar or choose bottom for the address bar position. And if you can't find any of these options, make sure your Brave app is updated to the latest version from your device's app store. That's all you need to move the address bar to the top in Brave. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your browsing with the layout that feels best for you.